¿Y
desnudo.
tú andas solo?
Sí, yo ando solo.
Con cuidado para ahí.
¿Sí?
Mucho cuidado. ¿Qué tal, amigo? ¿Todo bien?
No, no.
Híjole. Ay, ese va.
Good morning. What a day yesterday, guys. Oh, that was intense. I'm like this morning still thinking about just how wild that whole day was. From the beginning where I woke up to the 2 flat tires to ending up feeling the love and getting taken care of and at night when I tried to buy a room in this hotel to eventually them being like, we want to help you, and they gave me this spot for free. Yeah, that felt really good. First day in Honduras. When we were working our way down south, didn't really do any exploring. So be prepared, I would say. Be prepared to see some discovering of Honduras, and we're gonna do a lot of camping. I've planned to do a lot of camping, and we're gonna try to get a good glimpse of what the country looks like. Like I said, this for me pretty much counts as the first time. I've spent 1 day in Honduras on the way down, and that was just traveling on the bike. So it's a new country for me, and I'm really excited to explore it with you guys. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun seeing what Honduras has to offer. I've heard probably mostly negative things about Honduras. Most people seem to talk negatively about it. It's not safe, it's extremely dangerous, but I have heard from, I would say 70% negative, 30% of people that have like been there have told me they've really liked it. I was recently, when I was just in Nicaragua, I was talking to a French couple, a young French couple, and they were raving about it. They were talking about how they loved it. So you hear things like that. So I have an open mind. I'm sure I'll like it. There's always something to like. I doubt that I will dislike it. Slept pretty good. I slept great. I woke up a few times just because I've just been really excited about YouTube lately. So I woke up and I just was thinking about this whole experience. So, but other than that, I slept great. I'm sure I slept a lot better than I would have behind the school bus in the gas station, worried about that sketchy dude. So it's about 7 o'clock right now, and I told the owners I would go buy some breakfast from them at least, and try to maybe give them a tip. We're gonna get on up out and get going and pack and get this day rolling. So
guys, that's where I slept in there. Oh, such nice people, guys. Great experience. Hotel Plaza Inn, guys, near Paraíso, Honduras. Your tire feels good. Yeah, so kind of that family, guys. Feel really grateful to them for helping me out last night. It was first the wife, her and the guard were there, and then introduced me to the husband, and just a good solid family, and a really nice hotel. They got a pool back there. Looks like they're doing a lot of construction to like some addition. They're adding on and building more. So what do we got here? Let's see what we got here. Police. Buenas, ¿qué tal?
¿Qué tal? Mucho gusto.
¿Mande?
Mucho gusto.
Igualmente.
Permítame su licencia, revisión. ¿De dónde viene usted?
Vengo
¿De dónde?
de este hotel aquí, como unos 800 metros de allá, Saín.
¿Y hasta dónde va? Vengamos.
Hoy Galpa, ojalá, si Dios quiere, ¿verdad? De hecho, voy a tomar una izquierda aquí, creo que es este. Entonces voy a tomar este. Después voy a conectar con este.
Va
Y
por
era
la calle, pero es por puras calles de puros cerros.
Más bonito.
¿Qué otro rollo? Es que
Sí, más
vale la
bonito.
pena.
Más bien ahí los viera de montar a nosotros atrás
Para que lo lleve, ¿no?
Sí, bueno, quizás en los hombros, ¿no? Pero no hay tanto espacio. Me dijeron en el hotel que ahorita hay como queda de toque aquí.
hasta las 9
Hasta las 9,
de
¿verdad?
la noche.
¿Eso es normal aquí?
Sí, pero solo es aquí.
Solo aquí,
Solo
¿verdad?
aquí en el departamento del paraíso.
¿Y cuándo piensa terminar eso? Se ve
Todavía
que
no.
es... No, ok. Está bien.
¿Que le vaya bien?
Gracias. Ustedes también. All right, guys. The police are on it. Darn it, this is one of those sucky roads. The rocks are embedded in there, and it's just like go, go, go. They were all very firm, like in the beginning. Throw some smiles at them, throw some buenos dias, and people lighten up, man. No one wants to have a bad day, you know? No one wants to be angry. No one wants to be. So you give people a chance to make it easy for them to just be happier. I think they always choose to be in a pleasant mood. They'll make jokes with you, right? So at first she was like, where's the license? And then she's like, yeah, okay, take me with you, I'll hop on the back. If you match their energy and get all serious with them or get all like, oh, defensive, they're gonna show you who's in charge. And it's not you. So this is not the route I had originally planned on taking, but due to last night and it getting all dark, this is where we're gonna go through, and eventually link up with our road. So the goal today, guys, the mission is to make it. Oh, it's a fun little bridge. The goal today, guys, is to make it to Galpa. That was the goal yesterday as well. So we just never know, but we're a lot closer today than we were yesterday. So I'm pretty confident. Even if we did get 2 flats, I think we still make it. Knock on wood. I'm praying for no flats. Although if I got one, I could do it. I got my mental stamina back. I'm all charged up. Best kind of traffic jams, guys. Moving the cows. Oh, look at these little kids. 2 little kids on their horses. Season, so they don't got tons of food right now. And a little bit of farming. Just got some guys fumigating right there. It's like onions or chives. Ah, it's onions. I can smell it. Actually, it smells good. But yeah, guys, I'd say we got a high likelihood of success of making it to Galpa. Look at these busting their butts, tilling by hand. I also didn't get to tell you guys to finish what I was telling you about that family. We got the traffic stop there, but so this morning I eat breakfast and get the bike all packed up and I'm ready to go, and I go to pay and they're like, we end up talking for a bit. Yeah, they just wouldn't let me. They're like, no, yeah, we wanna give you the breakfast. We wanna gift it to you. I don't know, guys. I just think so many of these, the U.S. news and just the U.S. in general, right? We don't know, and our news outlets just paint a lot of countries just completely wrong. And I don't know. I think a lot of these places deserve a lot more respect than they get. And it's people like that, you know. There's a lot of them, guys. I don't think they're the only ones. It's a lot of people that are like this. So yeah, got on a little faster pace road here. Fun. Woo! Also, I'm not in love with the idea of wearing a short sleeve today, just because I don't want to get sunburnt, but pretty smoggy actually, so I'm getting kind of lucky. But wind burn as well, I don't want to get. But all my, I only got 2 long sleeves, the red and that green one, and those are filthy, guys. The flat tires really, changing tires really gets your clothes dirty, so I didn't want to wear those in today when I was gonna go get my breakfast, and there was other clients, you know, they had people staying at the hotel, and it's kind of a nice spot. I didn't want to. I should buy a water bottle. Buy a water bottle. I'm an idiot, guys. I don't have any cash, which is not good. It's not. Oh, dude, we gotta drive to the goal. Golazo! Yeah, I don't have any cash. I just have a credit card, which is not good because, you know, if something happens, I need to have some money, you know. But, hey, the motto is, it's gonna be alright. That's the motto. It's gonna be okay. Smoky, guys. I've been seeing a lot of burnt fields as well, so I think people are burning zacote, campo, fields, brush, weeds. I'm riding next to a really big river right now. I don't know if you guys caught a glimpse of it right there. Pretty big wash. Kind of valley it's carved out. A little bit of washboard, but road is pretty great, guys. Oh my gosh, look at, I miss fast roads. There it is, guys. Think we could jump off? Might be deep enough, but it's not clean enough. Look at that excavator making his own little road or something. Pretty cool. Guys, look at the Burrows! Look at the Burrows in the middle of the road! Hi, BBs! Hi, guys. Hi. You scared of me? Will you let me pet you? No. Okay. Bye. Well, this is definitely not what I expected out of this area. I was thinking more trees and mountains. This is almost like desert vibes, guys. Yeah, cactus and guys, it's like desert, but all of a sudden, boom, tons of bananas planted. And they look like they're doing pretty good. Those look a little dry, those look a little thirsty. Oh, the harvest. Disculpe, ¿aceptan tarjeta aquí? No. ¿Por un lugar? ¿Alguien? ¿Por allá? ¿Aquí? Aquí mero, ok, gracias, muy amable. Casi no pasan gringos por aquí, ¿verdad?
No.
Bueno.
Pero andaban unos manes ahí. Ahorita que me entró Pedregalito,
Ajá.
andaban unos manes ahí. Que andaban descalzos. Y desnudos.
¿Y desnudo?
Con la pura ropa interior.
Gringo, loco.
Montados en caballo y descalzos. Y allá bañaban en aguas termales que hay allá.
Ajá.
¿No conoces las aguas termales?
Lo vi, pero...
Unas aguas termales bañaban como Adán y Eva, desnudos. Y eso. Vinieron aquí, tuvieron un...
¿Pero venían solo?
No, varios.
¿Varios?
Sí, estuvieron estables ahí con carpa.
Sí, como hippie, tipo tránsito, tipo como transiente, no sé cómo se llama.
Más que le tienen los manes. Andaban montados en caballo.
Ah.
Y como te dije Pedregalito, yo pensé que usted andaba con ellos allá.
Sí.
Landon, ¿cómo es que llamaban los gringos, los que andaban ahí la vez pasada? Ah, estos eran... ¿Dónde es la rama de los hippies?
Ah, sí, eso es lo que yo dije. Hippie.
Que andaban desnudos, que bañaban desnudos. Sí, es que son hippies. El hippie es tienen una ideología muy diferente.
Sí.
¿Y
desnudo.
tú andas solo?
Sí, yo ando solo.
Con cuidado para ahí.
¿Sí?
Mucho cuidado.
¿Por dónde?
Para ese lado que no.
Sí.
Es mala la gente ahí.
¿Sí? Sí.
Bueno, placerazo.
Igualmente, Landon. Me llamo Landon.
Nelson.
Me hace mucho gusto. Bueno, hermano, yo también voy a seguir.
Dale,
Muchas gracias por el agua, en serio.
no se preocupe.
Que Dios les bendiga. Gracias, hermanos. Guys, they bought me this water. That's so kind. Everyone was like guiding me to this store back there that supposedly I could pay with credit card, and it turns out that it's actually to like pull money out. You gotta have to have like a specific kind of card. And then those guys were like guiding me to it, and then they're like trying to give me money before I even got there. I was like, no, I'll figure it out. I'll be all right. This costs 1 lempira. This is 1 lempira, and I think for each dollar, a lempira is like 35. I could be wrong. I need to look that up, but it's a lot. I think it's like 35 or 24. 24 lempiras is $1. So, you know, this was about probably, it looks like there's about maybe 50 cents, but still so super kind. The guy paid out of his own money to help me. Sí. Sí, ya. ¿Mande? Motorcylce, Galpa. Sí. Poco. Hoy de El Paraíso. How rocky that terrain is. Holy cow. All these guys working, doing something. Loading rocks up, I guess, maybe. That was a lot of guys. Yeah, that is so many rocks. fast and easy. Woo! Oh. Shoot. My oil cap, guys. Whoa. That is not good. Doesn't look like I lost a ton of oil, and I know I had good oil. Whoa. What the heck am I doing, guys? That's wild. That's actually wild. I gotta go back and look for that. Oh, it'll get a lot of dirt in it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I might not be able to. No, no.
Híjole.
Se cayó. En la subida por allá.
¿Lo miró?
Se calentó. Entonces dejé que la moto cansó. Yo abrió eso para olerlo y me olvidé.
Ah, entonces por ahí nomás debe estar, sí.
Pero muy malo que apenas me dio cuenta. Quizás dejo la moto allí.
Sí, no hay problema, la puedes dejar ahí, no le pasa nada.
¿Sí?
No le pasa nada, sí. Uy, en la casa dejémosla mejor por las maletas.
¿Cómo?
Aquí en la casa, aquí nomás vivo yo.
¿Sí?
Yo.
Ok. Gracias.
O sea que lo destapó y para revisarlo.
Yo abrió eso para olerlo.
Ajá.
Y me olvidé.
Taparla bien.
¿Aquí?
Sí. Allá en la sombra. No, es que se le botó el tapón de... ¿Cómo está la moto, Juan? Ahí. Ay, ese va. Sí.
Qué malo, ¿no? Qué tonto. Bueno, no parece que se escapó tanto, ¿verdad?
No.
Como si... No, ni está muy... Pero yo llevo como quizá un poquito más de mitad de 1 litro aquí. También, hermano, antes que vamos por allá, no tengo dinero en efectivo.
No se preocupe, no voy a cobrar.
¿Seguro? Solo tengo dinero de Guatemala y México.
No se preocupe.
¿Seguro?
No se preocupe.
Ok. Bueno, qué chistoso.
Bueno, pero lo vamos a hallar, ahí va a ver.
Yo estaba sentado allí y yo dejé la moto aquí. So guys, I took off my oil cap because my bike overheated up here a bit when I climbed at like 3,000 feet and I wasn't really being super gentle. So I took off my oil cap to smell the oil a bit and didn't tighten it. This is not good. This might be a miracle to find this cap. I thought for sure, because it wasn't screwed on at all. So it was just resting on top. I thought my leg would have just knocked it off quickly or something. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna walk back. I think I'm gonna walk back and look in that area some more. Not good, and yeah, feeling pretty stupid right now. Let's just hope I can find it because there's no way I'm finding something to cap that anywhere close. Probably have to make a cap out of a tree, like a tree branch. Anyways, I gotta pay attention. I'm gonna pay attention to the road. Ooh. Well, we I've got about almost an hour looking for it, guys. I've walked the distance 1.5 times to what I feel like is been very thorough and no luck. But I'm gonna keep walking for another bit, and yeah, I just really hope I can find this thing. Dang, guys, walked for about 2 hours. I'm burnt. I'm pretty sunburned, I think. Didn't find it. Came back thinking maybe it fell and got underneath the skid plate somehow. No. So now we're just gonna make a temporary one out of some wood and hope for the best, you know. Get to a town. There's a town a little bit of ways away where I can hopefully maybe buy one, but I don't even have any money, so. Yeah, I don't have any cash. I just have a credit card, which is not good because, you know, if something happens, I need to have some money, you know? Look how good this family's treating me. So this guy, I was literally right there. I told him what happened. I said, let's go look for it. He drove me out there and we looked and didn't find it. And anyways, now his mom is giving me this food, some cold agua de tamarindo, cheese, some meat. But yeah, we'll figure it out. I gotta eat this so I can help. Okay, guys, this is what we got figured out. I've already got it, I've already ridden on it for about 10 minutes. Guys, this past 2 days have been days from hell, but I think we're gonna survive. But yeah, this I'll show you. This is the contraption we got. So we got a stick with a piece of rubber on it to kind of pull down and try to seal. We're leaking a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with how much that is. It's really not that bad at all. And then yeah, we got some wiring wrapped around and pulled down, and the bike's got a top to the bike off with oil. It really didn't leak a ton of oil. You can even see just a little bit is what came out. And but man, you can't help but feel like an idiot after losing the top of your oil cap. So anyways, that's the setup we got going on right now. So it's about an hour and a half to Galpa. Wish me luck, guys. Also, I hope that the stick, it's not super long. I think I cut it pretty good, but I hope that stick is not, the clutch isn't coming and grinding it down and getting pieces of wood in my motor. Ugh, such a sucky situation, but all right, let's freaking go. It's about 3:10 right now, so. Wow, it's pretty, guys. Do as much e-bike as we can. Beautiful mountains. Looking good so far, guys. It hasn't moved. Just trying to watch my foot and my boot. I don't bump it. Wow, look how pretty. Looks like we're about to drop a whole bunch of elevation right now. So we're gonna go e-bike mode. I love the like white dirt, sand, and the pine needles, the brown of the pine needles. check. Yeah, we got a little rowdy right there, but you can see our oil mark looks pretty freaking good. So we got lots of oil. That makes me happy. So originally the plan was to get to this town. There's a high likelihood that they don't have this kind of cap, so since it's not leaking that bad, I'm just gonna go to Galpa, where I'm very optimistic we'll be able to find one. Tyler! Everyone who wonders who that guy who's always commenting, Tyler Wyman, he's right there.
Yes, biggest fan, dude. I watch them all, brother. I watch them all.
Tyler, don't think I don't see your comments even on Itchy Boots' comments over there.
I'm going
¿Cómo está, hermano?
Wherever you are, man, I am, man. So, I'm your biggest supporter. This is your second biggest supporter. It's Millie.
I feel it, brother. I feel it. How you doing?
Good.
Oh my gosh, there she is. Oh my gosh. Baby.
She's grumpy.
Aw.
That's your goddaughter, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Andy's like, no.
She's like, he won't be alive long enough to protect her.
What's that?
She's like, he won't be alive long enough to protect her.
I know. That's what I was thinking. It's like, oh, I can't have some random dude in Mexico. He's always in Mexico. Be my.
Hi.
She says like and subscribe.
You guys want to see something funny? You want to see something funny real quick? I'm gonna flip the camera. You ready? I don't know what's happening.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Did you talk?
I haven't talked yet. I haven't said anything yet. Since I pulled in, he's just been staring at me. So yeah, I'm gonna say something to him right now. I'm gonna say.
Okay.
Hola hermano, perdón. ¿Qué tal? Solo estoy parando para hacer una llamada. Sí, para que puedo hablar sin manejar. Después de la llamada me voy. Okay, yeah, he's chill. Trickling in. That was my good friend Tyler, guys. So couldn't let that one go without being answered. Look at this traffic, guys. Alrighty, guys. Dropping into Galpa as we speak. Got all the motorcycles driving on this side. It's just whoever's the most aggressive wins. Meanwhile, I have a tree branch as an oil cap. There it is. Galpa skyline. Now we're going into the thick of the traffic right now. Okay, it's somewhere right here. Maybe this. Yep. Is my debit card's not working. I've gone to 3 different ATMs and it says it can't read my card. And then I was at the Circle K gas station and so this guy pulled up and was like, dude, I saw your bike. Just started chatting me up. And he's like, yeah, I ride enduro out here. Speaks perfect English. And he said he thinks he knows a good spot that will work in a mall. He said it's an international bank, and he said I'll probably have better luck there. So hopefully it works. A little bit of a speed demon. Man, what a day. Gosh, one thing after another. One thing after another.
I got a parking ticket here.
Okay. 3. El más que usted puede, hermano.
3.
Ok.
Entonces serían ¿cuánto? ¿Por qué me trae la cuenta? 3,000.
Menos.
Pero aquí cobramos 100 ya, con más de 2,000 lempiras cobramos.
Está bien, hermano. Está bien.
3,000 va. Menos serían 327 entonces. Solo 2,070.
Gracias, hermano.
1,073, 2,073.
Voy a tomar foto de ese tema.
1, 2, 2,700. ¿Cuánto agarra la moto, papá? 350, ¿no?